Hi guys, this will be a tutorial on my WWE cake. So I'm just starting with quite a lot of frosting. This helps with keeping the top part of the cake quite smooth. Then I trim the excess and I just get 4 pieces of grey fondant, roll them out, and this will basically cover the sides of the cake. And I use a little bit of cornstarch or corn flour just so that it's not too tacky, because after you've been moulding it, it gets really soft. Some people use icing sugar, but the fondant is already so sweet that I'd rather just use corn flour because it doesn't really impact the taste. Then I just keep covering all the sides until it's complete. Don't worry about the cornstarch looking a bit dusty because you can brush that off afterwards. It's not really a big deal. So I decided to add some bamboo sticks for extra support. Originally I wasn't going to, but then I decided it would probably be best to do that. And then after I've done all of the pillars, I will refrigerate them so that they're a lot more firm. And then I start using, this is a smoother, and really you could use anything you like, but for me this is most easiest to use. I use it to create my W, and I do 2 W's because obviously the logo has 2 W's, and then I just place one on top of the other. Nothing's actually set in place at the moment because I quite like the fact that I can move everything around, but when I'm ready to stick it down I will only use water. That's all you really need for this bit, but for the pillars and everything else, for extra security, I will use the chocolate frosting. So I'm just using some strawberry laces for the elastic part of the ring. You could use some fondant actually, but I would much rather use this because it's a lot easier and it's edible. Then I'm starting to add the finishing touches like the name, some stars, even just some small details, you know, like just to outline everything and make it a little bit more neater.